In this video, I'm going to teach you about Taleb, a very powerful Python library for technical analysis. Taleb is being used in a lot of algorithmic trading systems. Taleb also has got a very powerful feature comprising candlestick pattern recognition. So let's start. This is the Taleb library, basically written in Python, and it includes 150 plus indicators: ADX, MACD, RSI, stochastic, Bollinger Bands. Then it has got this candlestick pattern recognition. You will install Taleb using pip install Taleb. There is a dash between T and lib. So you'll start like that. Let me show you the supported indicators. These are the type of function groups that it supports: overlap studies, momentum indicators, volume indicators, volatility indicators, price transform, cycle indicators, pattern recognition, statistic function, math transform, math operators, overlap studies, Bollinger Bands, double exponential moving average, Hilbert transform, Kaufman adaptive moving average. We've got many, as 150 plus indicators. Momentum indicators, Arun indicator, Arun oscillator. See long list. Volume indicators, volatility indicators, price transform, cycle indicator, pattern recognition. Type of candlestick patterns, it can recognize 2 crows, 3 black crows, 3 inside up, down, 3 line strike, 3 outside up, down, 3 advancing white soldiers, abandoned baby, advanced block, belt throat, breakaway, closing Marabozu, engulfing pattern, dragonfly doji, evening doji star, evening star, hammer, gravestone doji, and it's a long list. So we'll be using this Taleb a lot in back testing out trading strategies. So let's start how we do it. In the last video, I showed you how to download price data comprising many years from MT4. If you haven't seen that video on Pandas, Learn Pandas, you should first watch that video because this video builds on that video. Taleb uses Pandas a lot. So if you haven't seen that video, first watch that video. Then you can watch this video also. Let's start the terminal. Start the Python interpreter. Import pandas, numpy. Import Taleb as TA. TA is an alias. Let's get the list of functions that Taleb supports. You see, there is a long list of functions that it supports. Here, function groups. Pattern recognition. See, there is a long list. Let's read this pound dollar 240-minute data. 240 minutes means H4. Then we name that also. This statement as pandas that it will display up to 20 columns. So let's see. Date, time, open, high, low, close, volume. We have got 12,760 rows. Mean this data frame has got 12,760 bars data. It's a lot of data. Let's calculate RSI. First, we're going to add a new column RSI to our data frame. Let's see. You see, this is now there's another column RSI. It's calculated the RSI very fast. Now let's calculate MACD. We want to add 3 columns because Taleb TA.MACD returns 3 columns. So one is MACD, one is MACD signal, and another is MACD histogram. And this forward slash, it says that this is the same line continuing on the second line. Past period is 12, slow period is 26, signal period is 9. So let's read that and see. We have MACD, MACD signal, MACD histogram. MACD is just the difference of 2 exponential moving averages. MACD signal is that moving average of that difference with period 9, and MACD histogram is the difference between MACD and MACD signal. So it's very easy to add whatever technical indicator you want to use. William percent R, you can use it. ADX, you can use it. So let's add that also. Price MA difference. This is just we want to use close, so we use df.close. This is the closing price, and we want to find the difference between the closing price and the moving average with period 25. So we also add that. This is the MA, EMA, DF close, period 21. So it's add new column. Let's check. RSI, MACD, MACD signal, the date, time, open, high, low, close, and there's a continuation of same rows as we have added more columns. Williams R, ADX, price, MA, diff, EMA. We can also calculate pips. In the next video, I will teach you how we are going to build conditional statements on pandas like this one. TF log, TF.pips. If the price moves more than 70 pips, target one, this thing. But before that, I'll have to teach you NumPy. Now let's use this Taleb function, morning star. It just will identify the morning star candlestick pattern in our data frame. See, it will just give you a 1 where we have got the pattern. In the same way, this candlestick pattern, shooting star, we can also use it. Long leg doji also. So we can use this library, but identify candlestick patterns also. Open, high, low, close, wheel. These are parameters it takes. Personally, I prefer to code my own candlestick and chart pattern recognition instead of using the function provided by Taleb. I'll show you how we can code our own candlestick pattern recognition. So I hope you like this video.